Damn it. Shit. No. Sorry. This is my 2001 Toyota Sequoia, limited edition. I recently installed front and rear suspension and she's finally back on the road. The front end has Fox 2.5 DSC adjustable coilovers with reservoirs, JBA upper control arms, OEM lower ball joints, inner and outer tie rods. I went with the 3-way in the rear. Dobinson's MRR 3-way to be exact. Like the front end, these are adjustable as well, and they came equipped with reservoirs. Springs are Dobinson's, though once I irresponsibly load up the rear far beyond the vehicle weight rating, she's probably gonna sag. Just kidding. Well, maybe not. I bought it from the original owner. The guy was very prideful of his sheepskin seat covers. Honestly, I thought it was some hippie shit, but after sitting in them, they cradled my cheeks like a heartfelt lullaby. They grew on me, and I think I'm gonna keep them. She was quick to show off her rear hatch once the camera was rolling. But don't be fooled. She never wants to open her rear hatch. My Sequoia people understand. I'd love to hear about your Sequoia's rear hatch. Comment down below. Is it easy access? So anyways, you know where to find us. Maybe I'll see you next time.